Okay guys, this is Fat Math 316. For this page, you're literally just doubling the amounts. So for number 1, it says corn cereal squares, recipe 2 1/4 cups, but you need to double that recipe. So you're just going to add 2 1/4 plus 2 1/4. We don't need to find a common denominator because it's the same. So we're just going to add straight down. 1 plus 1 is 2. Keep my denominator, which is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then to remember to label it, now my new measurement is 4 2/4 cups. Okay? Number 2, raisins. Raisins, they want us to double 1 1/2. 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2. We don't need to find a common denominator because we already have one. 1 plus 1 is 2. Carry my denominator. 1 plus 1 is 2. But what can I do with this? Is this my final answer? Can I leave it like this? You can, but that's not the final answer. Because this is the same on top and the same on the bottom, that means it's one whole. So you would add that into the 2. 2 plus 1. Because remember, this actually equals 1. So the answer is 3 cups. Okay? That is for number 2, for the raisins. All right. You just do that the same thing for chocolate chips. 2 1/3 plus 2 1/3. Do it for pretzels. 1 2/3 and 1 2/3. But that one's a little bit tricky. So in case you forgot, let's do that one together. This is number 4. 1 2/3 plus 1 2/3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. Already, do you see something? I do. This is an improper fraction, so we must make it into a mixed number and then add it to our whole number right here, this 2. Okay? So, we can take 3/3 away. We can take 1 whole out. So, we're going to take 1 away. Now, what does 4 take away 3? 1. What's my denominator? 3. So I literally add this plus this. So my new answer is 3 1/3. I believe it is cups. So 3 1/3. 4 pretzels. All right, pink lemonade, you are doubling. Ginger ale, you're doubling. Okay, so just literally go down the list as you did for numbers 1 and 4. They all are having the same denominator, so you don't have to worry about finding one. They're the same. You just have to watch out for improper fractions and look out for whole numbers as your fraction, just like when we did for number 2. We had 1/2 plus 1/2 makes 2 2/2. We changed it to 3. All right, guys, that concludes the Fat Math. The rest of the week is literally just review, and then you have a test on Thursday. So today's lesson, then you have Monday or Tuesday and Wednesday are all review. Test on Thursday. If you need to go back and review your notes and your work from Fat Math, I am okay. I would rather you take the test with a little bit of help if you need it. Okay, so look at your book. That's okay with me. All right? I want you guys to understand this because this is the last chapter for 4th grade. Okay, guys? All right. That's it.